Good afternoon, class. So today I will do a quick tutorial on how to set up a VNC server and make it look nice. So first of all, I'm going to assume that you guys have looked at my written tutorial and have the ability to SSH into one of the computers at school and have downloaded VNC viewer. So first thing you do is you bring up your prompt, as you can see right here. So you type in SSH, my username is stblock, and then what you do is you type in, you can do snake.ece.ucdavis.edu, but you can also SSH into each of the individual machines. So I'm going to SSH into milk. Actually, now let me do deathadder. deathadder.ece.ucdavis.edu. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my password, which I will not tell you guys. And now I am SSH'd into deathadder. So the very first thing you need to do is you can go VNC. Oh, actually, let's actually exit really quick. Let's do SSH-X. So this is X forwarding. X forwarding is for bringing up GUI interfaces. There's a reason why I'm doing this. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to go VNC. Before we create the VNC server, change to your home directory by cd space tilde. Do list-al, and then what you'll notice is there's a VNC folder. There should be also a .vnc. So we need to go into our .vnc. So go .vnc. So go cd .vnc. Now if you list, there is a X startup file here. So if you go with your favorite editor, I'm going to just do gedit X startup, and I put the @ sign so I can still get access to the command prompt, the and sign, not at, and site. Okay, I'm going to do that later. Remind me later. So when you what you'll notice is you'll get these two lines right here. It says uncomment the following 2 lines for normal desktop. Go ahead and uncomment these two, like so, and then go ahead and save it. Close it. Then what you can do is then you can go VNC server. Oh, we don't have to change directories, but I'll just do it anyways. Go back to your root home. Go VNC server space geometry 1440 by 900 is what I like. And this will create a VNC server on deathadder 2. So I have VNC viewer already up. deathadder.ec.ucdavis.edu:2. Go ahead and connect. I typed in, actually I should show you guys how to do that. So and before you exit, what you need to do is create a password. So if you go back to your SSH, it saves your passwords between servers, so I have a password already, but what you do is you say VNC VNC pass WD, then it'll ask you for a password. I'm typing that in now. Okay. Now what you can do is you can go to your VNC viewer, type in, what you want to do is you want to type in the server, the VNC server, which is given to me right here. So I already had it typed in, I just changed the into 2. So deathadder.ece.ucdavis.edu, press connect, type in my password that I created, and agree. Now, let's see, which desktop is it? Authenticate, that's fine. Cancel. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Let's see, it's probably my Kerberos password. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this weird authenticate. But anyways, here's my desktop. So to reiterate the steps, just to show you guys from scratch. You don't have to do this every time, because now all I need to do in order to open up my VNC server is I just open up my VNC viewer, press connect, and type in my password for my VNC server, and it brings me back to the desktop. So when you guys are doing checkoffs, you should have a VNC server set up so that I can remote. Basically, when you come in, you can sign in, and you can show me what you did for your cadence tutorials. And of course, inside here, you can open up a terminal. And what you can do in here, let's say you want to kill your VNC server, VNC server colon dash kill, and then colon space colon the number -2. Now when I do this, it'll kick me out right away, and I no longer have that VNC server. But anyways, this is how you make a VNC server very quickly for the UC Davis ECE department.